Meaning of disagreement.
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 Disagreement. Disagreement refers to a situation where two or more parties hold different opinions, beliefs, or attitudes towards a particular topic. This can occur in various contexts such as personal relationships, business negotiations, or even societal issues. The result of disagreement can vary depending on the intensity of the conflicting views and the willingness of the parties involved to compromise or find common ground. When disagreement is not resolved, it may lead to tension, conflict, and ultimately, impede progress towards mutual goals or objectives. Therefore, effective communication and conflict resolution skills are crucial in managing disagreements successfully.